Hey everybody, so you are going to start writing your memoir. And so this doc here is where you're going to write your memoir. It looks pretty short, but actually you are going to be writing quite a bit. It has several parts, so let's go through the parts. So part one is where you already are. Here are the videos that you need to watch before you start writing. This part right here, there is a link to a memoir of my own that you can go read at any time. I suggest reading it before you start. Then we have three sections. You can see your introduction paragraph, your body, and your conclusion. So there are also videos explaining how to do each of those parts. So what you're going to do after you watch the videos and read the example, you're going to start writing. So your introduction, you can watch the video, and on the left-hand side over here, it gives you some help, and you write on the right-hand side. Then you go to your body, same thing. You can watch the video, get the help on the left-hand side, write. And then conclusion, same thing, help on the left-hand side and write on the right-hand side. So that is how you are going to use this outline. Make sure to watch all the videos, read all the directions, and then if you still don't understand, to ask me for help.